I got zeroed out my membrane, you keep calling me insane. Every single day more XRP is what I obtain. No more cash, no more cars, only QR codes. No more proof of work, we running validated nodes. This is the life that I chose. They look at the cons, I look at the pros. I'm always bullish in the shows. Now you wanna ask about XRP, I am not telling. Now you want some of my XRP, I am not selling, it's not for sale. Honestly, I just wish you will, cause I'm XRP for well. I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. XRP taking the lead, come equipped with institutional speed. XRP giving the go to proceed, don't listen to FUD, I know they mislead. Try to tell them but I know they don't care. ODL, no nothing compared. Back in the day I was willing to share, now I don't have any left to spare. Saw some liquidity on demand, try to tell them but they don't understand. Holding my ledger right here in my hand, see the signs it was already planned. Digital economy, it's already here. I'm talking about the moon, they think I majored in astrology. Haters talking trash, I think they majored in garbology. Focus on my future, so I invest in technology. Number one is where we ranking.
Come on.
And if you don't have XRP, then I do not know what you thinking. This the time, this the year, this the place to be. Hard and strong all day long, doing it faithfully. Keep that negative energy far away from me. It's not our fault that we seeing something that you can't see. I got my hands on some on-demand liquidity, and I'ma hold on to it now into infinity. This the greatest wealth transfer the world will ever see. But I'm done talking, I'm about to go buy me more XRP, cause I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well,
For well.
I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? Can't you tell?
What up, everybody? Hey, Dan H, what is up, man? What is up, Lost Vault? How's everybody doing, man? How about that XDC, huh? How about that XDC? There's Bitcoin. Here's XRP. And here is XLM. And here is XDC. What up, Messy Leo? What is going on? Here we go. Where's this XDC? Here it is. Oh, baby, what's going on? What is going on, XDC? Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing? Oh, man. Wow, look at that. That's like pretty much 6.5 cents. XRP will moon in 7 days? I hope so. XDC, man. Possibly on the move. Look at this. Bam. Look at that. Let's put this on the daily. Whoa, wait a minute. Is this a double bottom? Look at this. Right here, Hold on. What is this? Come on, move. There we go. Look at that. Possible double bottom. Cranks up to 19 cents. Comes down, makes a second bottom from over here. Makes a nice little high. Right at 19.5 cents. Boom, come down. Kind of a double bottom here. Take profits. I'm not taking profits at 6 cents. Bought it at like 5 cents even, pretty much. Bought a bunch of it right around here. Right around here. I'm not in a leverage trade, so it's not like I'm taking profits. The only thing I'm doing is dollar cost averaging. So if it goes down, I'll just buy more. If price has to go way higher than this before I take profits. Price has to go a lot higher than this before I take profits. If you're in a leverage trade, though, I would definitely recommend you take profits if you put a long in over here. But I am not in a leverage trade. What is going on over here in the BTC world? What is going on in the DXY world? Let's check on this US dollar index. Oh, wow. It did reject up here. It did reject at the pink line. Or the red line. And now it's holding at the yellow line. We want it to reject here. Let's put it on the daily. Yeah, see? Bam, bam, bam. There it is. Let's see if we get a continuation to the downside. DXY did come down, gave us room to do stuff like this. Stuff like this. For XDC. 17-cent XLM, man. Wow, it does not get better than that, does it? I mean, it might. Holy. Oh, that's going to have to close that gap right there. Maybe it's going to come up and close these gaps and then kick lower. It's possible. We'll see. 54-cent XRP. That's the mark that we don't want to go lower than 54 cent. If we do go lower, we don't want to go lower than that. I want to put this on the weekly. Look at it on the weekly. We got like this double bottom over here back in like the June 2021 area. Like the June, July. We got this double bottom at 51 cents. Now we don't want to go lower than this marker right here, which is the January 2022 low of 54 cents. 55, so like right in this area, like 54.9, 55 even. You finally got XDC? Nice. Very nice, man. That's what I'm talking about. Man, why does XRP look like it just wants to drop? Why does it look like it just wants to drop off the face of the earth? Crazy. It's holding on this trend line. This trend line is over 4 months old, this trend line. This is the weekly chart for Bitcoin. Like, we came down here, we got this, boom, then it went on to make a lower low, and then it went on to make a higher high. So this comes down, and then instead of going lower, it's went a little higher and a little higher. Just remember, man, Bitcoin's done something it has never done before in the history of Bitcoin. Keep that in mind. It has never went below the 50 EMA, then went on to make a higher high, and then go back above the 50 again like this. It's never done that. It's never done that back here, and it has never done that over here. Never. In the past couple bull runs, it's never done that. It has this bull run, so crazy stuff, man. I'm excited to see what's going to happen. XRP on the weekly looks so sick. Looks so sick, man. Like, we can't even get above the 236, the 0.236. Like, we can't even get above this. I would love to see what's going to happen if, say, we go from candle body to candle body. Same exact thing. Doesn't even matter. There's a lot of people bullish, ladies and gentlemen. There's a lot of people bullish right now. Really bullish. Like, something crazy is going to happen. Like, I'm not the only one who feels that way. I feel like I've been more public about it than, like, a lot of people have been saying it lately. But I've had this feeling, like, for the past freaking, I don't know, 7-8 months, that, like, it's just not over yet. The hell's this?
Today, what is going on here? And first of all, it's not the chart. This is long. This is the big bear market, right? With severe bear market, I don't know where it is, right? It's just not happening. Now the question is it going to happen? Well, so of course we have it going here very, very high.
Everybody's talking about the DXY. Everyone's talking about the dollar index, and it's relevant. It's very relevant.
The US dollar index going to 103, which is historically extremely high, was very strong, the US dollar in 2017. And what happened? It was the beginning of this crazy bull run of Bitcoin from 1,000 US dollars all the way up to 19,700 US dollars. Then the bear market usually hits when the US dollar is weak. That's where the bear market starts. And then you can see right here, and this here, where I'm zooming in, this is March 2020. The C dump, the Black Thursday, where like everything went bearish and everyone sold their assets. That's important to understand. You see where it says Bull Run 2020? In this exact moment, that was the Black Thursday. So everyone sold their assets, gold, silver, crypto, Bitcoin, everything into US dollar. If you sell into US dollar, of course, the US dollar is getting stronger as demand for the US dollar is increasing. And historically, Bitcoin, that happened right here where Bitcoin just dumped down to 3,100 US dollars and the start of the bull run 2020 unfolded. Now, we had a very weak US dollar actually in the year 2021, where we had the bull market top. US dollar weak, people selling US dollar into Bitcoin. But ever since then, for the last, man, it was like a disturbing, let me go back. It was a disturbing, boring, frustrating time in terms of prices. But ever since then, dear ladies and gentlemen, the US dollar got stronger and stronger and stronger. And we are right now getting into this incredible zone of strength for the US dollar. This zone is usually the beginning of a big bull market. And yes, I have to tell you, this doesn't tell us exactly it's starting today. What it is telling us though, historically speaking, every single time the US dollar index went into this red area, it was a question of weeks where the next bull market started. So translated into price predictions, subjective price predictions, might be wrong, might be right. It means Bitcoin can still go lower, right? My worst case scenario is and was and will be 30,000 US dollars possible. Extremely unlikely, possible. What I am telling you though, in the next few weeks, much more likely than not, the next bull market is going to start. And this is important. Yes, if you are trading, fine, I have the links down below. You can get a bonus trade if you are an experienced trader. But more importantly, if you are not owning any Bitcoin right now, or if you have disposable income which you don't need for your living, of course, make your own research, buy, invest, purchase everything at your own risk. Only my subjective opinion. But you are running the danger to stand on the sidelines when the big moonshot comes. Do you want this or not? Let me know down below. Smash up the like button if you agree. Smash up the like button if you disagree. But let me know down in the comment section.
L Society, yes, I agree. Messy Leo, I agree with L Society. I don't think XRP is gonna go to 25 cents. I mean, it's just my opinion. I am. Let's just put it this way: what I'm doing with my investments does not have XRP going that low. With my moves, I do not have that figured in at all, not even close.
This is, dear ladies and gentlemen, potentially the beginning of something big. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section.
Yeah, I agree. I agree with MM Crypto. I definitely, and that's what everybody is saying. Everybody is saying that it is possibly the start of something big. Because this is very, very high for the US dollar. I mean, look at this. Went on a massive run up. Look at this. All the way back in 2017. Look. Massive run up. It was here for, let's see, how long was it in this area for? December 16th. 1 month it was in this area. 1 month. We have been up here for... What am I on? The daily. We've been up here for like 3 days. We've only been up here for 3 days. On the DXY, so... Yeah, the iron wall. I agree, L Society. On point, man. Couldn't have said it better myself. I'm just looking at this XDC bed. Look at this, chilling at 6 cents. Right on this, right on the 5 moving average here. I want to see where, where's the 50? Wow, it came right off the 50 over here. Chilling on the moving average here. Let's look at the 5 minute. One, two, three, four, five. That's 5 right there. Coming off right. Look at that. The 50 moving average. We came right down to the 50 moving average on the 5 minute. Yeah, we're definitely, Andre, definitely getting some crypto for cheap right now. I've been getting cheap crypto since XLM went down to 16 cent 7. It's been hanging around the 18, 19, 20 cent area. XRP's been hanging around the 60 cent to 70 cent area, 80 cent. I mean, we've been getting cheap crypto for a while now. But as far as a bear market is concerned, I mean, bear market lasts for years, man. I don't think we're in a bear market. I do not think that at all. Unless it's just a figure of speech. Oh, baby. Look at this. Beautiful. All right, let's check in on, let's look at Blocktopia. Now let's look at Paribus. Ooh, Paribus, right there. Is that it for Paribus? Is that the sweet spot? Just wanted to make sure. I just want to make sure real quick. So how is your guys' days going? Who's trading? Is anybody leverage trading? Or swing trading? Or just regular day trading? What are you guys up to? Ooh, an hour ago.
Itself. The key thing is to understand its development. You see, this is where the money resides, not just long liquidation points. So if we go over to the chart right here, you can see that there is all the way down to 37k. We have quite a bit of liquidity by the retail trader. Okay, now all of a sudden there's not that many shorts coming into this move. So let's make sense of what's going on. So firstly, I want to take your attention to what was going on today earlier on in the New York session. Now, I was anticipating from the New York session today that we were going to try and come up towards key notable areas in the sense where New York was going to initiate a stop hunt, and then we would likely know more about that move. Okay, the psychological low would have been the point of interest in the chart, which we had stated in the live stream earlier on, that it was that last point that they had sold off from, and they've done quite a good job of doing that over this past week. So you look at the range itself and you pull up the psychological range and say to yourself, well, how often do they sell from this point, or up until this point this week? So check this out. You've got the sell-off that happened yesterday. You got the sell-off that happened the day before.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking also for Bitcoin. I think we're moving into we're on the hourly. We're moving into this formation here. And I could be terribly wrong, but this formation could possibly be playing out. This could be playing out. We have entered into this beautiful formation. Like that, and then we just continue higher. W formation again, probably right here at the top of this, once we break some into the higher 40k area. I don't know, it's just what it's what it looks like. We're getting this beautiful formation here. Something like that, I think, is going to play out.
And then the day before that as well. And then, of course, on the Tuesday. And then we had the start of the session on the Sunday, Monday.
Oh, bro, COVID coin. Why didn't we? Oh, my God. Why didn't I think of that, Andre? Yo, COVID coin is where it's at, bro. Everybody would be long COVID coin. I mean, you got Fauci. Fauci is hella long COVID coin.
So they
Fuck, I can't say stuff like that. I'm just kidding. It's a joke. I'm just kidding. No misinformation here. It's a joke. YouTube, it's a joke. Please do not ban me.
have given us the idea that they want to sell off more towards the psychological low. They don't favor higher prices, okay? They favor lower prices. But in order for Mr. Market Maker to move price to the downside, he has to move it up. Remember, he doesn't buy at a premium. He doesn't sell at a discount. He buys at a discount and sells at a premium. So in order to get it to a discount, he has to move it to a premium. And the only way that he can do that is if he encourages traders to believe it's going higher, thus the retail trader is buying at a premium, because the same people that are buying are the same people Mr. Market Maker is selling into. Now, the reason why I keep making reference to this, guys, is because I want it to get ingrained in your mind, because when you come to make a trade, you're going to ask yourself the question, what does the market maker want the retail trader to think? This is a game of liquidity, not about Bitcoin's utility itself, not about whether crypto can do whatever benefit it can.
That's right. That's right, Tino. It's all about liquidity, my friend. You know it. I know it. Everybody knows it. Everybody knows it. Man, I'm thinking about taking $578 or $580, buying 100,000 Paribus token. Blocktopia would be $1,172. I already have 10K of each of these tokens. And I like to just hold 10K of certain tokens, like XLM, XRP, XDC. I like to hold 10K of each of those, which is a must. You have to. I believe, like for me, I have to have 10,000 of those three. Of these three coins, these three right here, I have to have 10,000 of each of those, which is what I have, which is put away. And I'm just thinking about what else to possibly snag up while we're in these low prices. Because Bitcoin has... Let me pull this down to the weekly so we can look at this. So we can see exactly where we are. Hi, sweetheart. What are you doing? Oh, Luna came by to say hi. Hi, Luna. You good girl? You look. Are you licking the microphone? Oh, you're such a good girl. Wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? Yes, you do. She's such a good girl. I put 1K on XDC. You think that was smart? Yeah, 1K at XDC. Why not? Yeah. Did you do it down here? Did you do it at like the 5-cent range? Because if that's the case, then you should have close to 20,000. If you did it down here, you should have close to 20K. All right, well, I just want to drop in and say hi to all you guys. I got to take the animals for a walk. We got some stuff to do. And then I want to go live again in a little bit tonight. After I see what happens. I want to see what happens around around the 9-10 o'clock area. You know, even though it's a 24-hour market, I want to see what Australia and Asia end up doing. Even though everything's closed except for crypto, I want to see what happens. I want to see what happens. All right, guys, I'm Jada Blur. Until next time, we'll put out some more videos. Later.
I got zero doubt in my membrane, you keep calling me insane. Every single day more XRP is what I obtain. No more cash, no more cars, only QR codes. No more proof of work, we running validated nodes. This is the life that I chose. They look at the cons, I look at the pros. I'm always bullish and it shows. Now you wanna ask about XRP? I am not telling. Now you want some of my XRP? I am not selling, it's not for sale. Honestly, I just wish you will, cause I'm